What's up, everybody? It is your boy Blue Fusion, back at it again. It's been a long time doing one of these videos, but here we are. We are back with another mini brands, mini verse. And today we're going to be doing the Make It Mini Nature series. And we're going to be starting off with the basil and rosemary. That's what we're going to be doing right there. As you can see, Dark Angel behind the camera helping us out again. Thank you very much. Alrighty, let's jump into it. It shouldn't be too complicated. We have our all ready to go here, as you can see. I think that's the right way, yeah. I think that's the right ones and the right ones. I'm not too sure. I'll have to look at the thing again. It makes sense that these would be tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Alright. Yeah, tomatoes. It says tomatoes on the basil and rosemary.
Yeah, you got it right. Like, that's how it is on here.
Sweet. Alright, here are the little things. The little signs, I guess you could say. Sponsored by Happy Grow Company. Thank you. We love you, Happy Grow. And our perfectly good soil. Alright. Let's start with this one right here. We're going to crack open our soil. If we can, adult-proof soil. Easy peasy opening. There we go. Alright. So we are going to dump this on the counter here. There we go. Looks like chocolate you wouldn't want to eat. Alright, so let's do, ooh, stretchy. This stuff is probably something similar to what we've seen back when we made that mandrake for the Harry Potter mini potion series. Has kind of a weird smell to it too, but that's alright. We are packing her down, and we're gonna force that in there. Actually, let's use our little shovel here. Take a little hole, so that will fit a little bit better. And then we will do this. Maybe if it wants to stick. Roll a little bit out. And then just pack her around at the top there. Like that, so it looks like it's evenly distributed. Alright, just like that. That is very good, as you can see right there. It's pretty much well done. Alright, and that one is the basil, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Make sure we got the right sign for the right port. There we go. And there we go. Voila, basil. Tomatoes. See? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. There we go. One done. Now we are on to the rosemary. Alright, so we're going to do the same method as we did before. Put a little bit in. Pack it all around so it's even. There we go. Get a bit more. A bit too much. There we go. Alright. Yep. That went in a little better. Maybe. Actually, nah. Put a bigger hole there for that. So that will sit down in. Rolling out some more dirt to pack on the side. Bend it back that way. Alright. Maybe a bit more just on that side right there. Spread open our branches. There we go. Rosemary. Let's take our sign. Courtesy of Happy Grow Company once again. Plop it in right there. And there we are. Rosemary. Awesome. So put that there. Put that there. No, I can't because it's... There we go. Change that there. Put it there. Put it there. Put it on the thing. And there we have it. There we go. Don't know if I can... I'll just put it with my thumbs behind there. Boom. Look at that. Alrighty guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you do give it that thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new to the channel, because we have a bunch more natures coming this way. Alrighty guys, thank you, and we'll catch you in the next one.